7 things you should keep secret and never share with anyone. 1. Your plans. Sharing your plans with others might lead to sabotage or unnecessary interference. 2. Your next big move. It's best to move in silence and avoid disclosing your future actions prematurely. 3. The source of your riches. Revealing how you make money can attract unwanted attention or jealousy. 4. Your weaknesses. Sharing your vulnerabilities can make others perceive you as weak instead of strong. 5. Your past failures. Disclosing your failures may lead others to view you as a failure, hindering your progress. 6. Your financial problems. Discussing financial issues can lead to people avoiding you or taking advantage of your situation. 7. Your family and relationship problems. If others lack the necessary skills to help, sharing personal problems may not yield positive results. If you've here this far, drop a 100. This shows you are part of the 0.01% who actually finish what they start. If you enjoy our content, consider following us for more